Hi, my name is Jason Kidner. I'm an engagement director here at Valiantys, and I'm really excited to share a brief introduction to the enterprise insights for Jira Align. So what exactly is enterprise insights? How does it relate to Jira Align? Well, enterprise insights is the data mart for Jira Align. And starting on February 25th, 2025, enterprise insights will be offered as a standard feature of Jira Align Cloud at no extra cost. So it's going to be bundled in to your Jira Align licenses. Enterprise Insights is an Azure SQL Server database hosted in the Microsoft Azure Cloud, which refreshes data hourly from Jira Align. So you can see here the interconnection, how it fits in. So Jira Align that is over here, and it's being refreshed to Enterprise Insights on an hourly basis. And then Enterprise Insights allows customers to create custom reports with their Jira Align data using a data visualization tool like Tableau, Power BI, or Atlassian Analytics. So this is where the custom reporting can come in, and obviously you could pull in other data from your finance, HR, CRM tools as well into your data visualizations. And with Enterprise Insights, you can connect the dots with your Jira Align data. So a few words about connectivity. So as you can see in this diagram, the most common method to connect to Enterprise Insights is via a standard DBC SQL client over the public internet using TCP 1433. All server firewalls are set to require a TLS 1.2 encryption on any connection, as you can see here. And really important, anyone who needs to access Enterprise Insights will need their office or home office IP address whitelisted. And this can now be done in the Jira Align admin UI, which is really cool. And Enterprise Insights also supports Microsoft Entra authentication, and it supports standard SQL accounts, usernames, and passwords that can be provided via an Atlassian support ticket. So going back to actually in the Jira Align tool itself, this was recently added, but as a Jira Align admin, you can go into your admin area. There is now an Enterprise Insights option in the left-hand menu. And when you click on Get Started here, it takes you to this new area of your admin where you can create your own firewall rules. You no longer need to open an Atlassian support ticket to ask for new IP addresses to be whitelisted. And this also allows you to set up access to Enterprise Insights through Microsoft Entra authentication if your organization uses that. Again, if you don't use Microsoft Entra, you can reach out to Atlassian via support ticket to get a username and password for your unique Enterprise Insights. Okay, let's go back to our slide. One other note is that Enterprise Insights can also be set up with connectivity to, if Jira Align is hosted via VPC or on-prem. And as can be noted here, you can also connect your Jira Align Enterprise Insights to Atlassian Analytics. So if you are a Jira Enterprise customer organization that has Atlassian Analytics, you can connect to your Enterprise Insights as a data source with Atlassian support, but it ultimately goes via OAuth if you're coming from the cloud, or VPC, it's going through another path. So again, need Atlassian support for that. But when you do set that all up, if we go back here with Analytics, you can set up Jira Align Enterprise Insights as one of your data sources, and you can start to build reports from that, which is really cool. Which gets me to my next topic, is data scheme and report. So what is available in the data in Jira Align? Well, a simple answer is that pretty much every data point that you see in Jira Align in the UI and even in the connector is available in the schema that comes with Enterprise Insights. So, and just wanted to note here, I'm going to go actually into Power BI, and I'm going to connect to Enterprise Insights for our demo instance. And when this pulls up, notice there are dozens and dozens of what are called current DW tables. So these are the tables that has the current data seen in the Jira line UI. This is definitely recommended for your current, most up-to-date reports. But if you scroll down, there are also corresponding export DW tables that includes all the historical data, including canceled and deleted work items, along with some columns around whether it's been deleted or not and the deleted date. So lots of information out here. You can pick and choose what you want. You can see in this example with Power BI data set, I've brought in about 24 tables in order to create the reports I wanted to. Some of the main data points here around epics, dependencies, anchor sprints, program increments, programs, you name it. I mean, everything is at your fingertips with Enterprise Insights. And over in Analytics, jump back into there. If we go into their data set, you can also see the schemas here, and you can pick and choose what tables are available. But all those same current DW tables are out here. You can also get to export DW tables as well, but you can pick and choose which of the tables are visible and able to be used to create your dashboards in Analytics. And that brings me to my final topic, just creating reports. So back to Power BI. Once you bring in your tables, however you bring those in, and however you're creating these within your Power BI application, here's just one example, very basic one of a table that interconnects dependencies with the features that they are linked to. Again, this is really hard to see all this information nicely in the Jira line UI, but with all this data available, you can create practically any report you could possibly want out here. And in Analytics offers some out-of-the-box template reports using the Enterprise Insights data. Here's one of them. It's called the Epic Status Report, where you pick a portfolio, a date range, and an epic, and it creates this dashboard noting various things for summaries, health areas, finances. So this is just one of a few out-of-the-box templates, and you can also obviously create many, many more custom dashboards for your stakeholders. And there's a few screenshots there. And really, just to wrap up, just wanted to highlight that we, Valiantys, have supported the use of Enterprise Insights with a number of our Jira Line clients. Anything from over-the-shoulder schema support to building custom reports in Power BI and Atlassian Analytics, to leveraging Enterprise Insights as the source of data for even custom Forge apps. So if you have any questions or want help and support to get started with Enterprise Insights, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or via email. And I highly recommend using it. It is absolutely wonderful for your reports. And I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.